Hey guys, so I'm here to show you how to make this double stuffed Oreo. First, you're going to need two different types of clays. You're going to need like modeling clay and then just air dry clay. So first you're going to want to take the air dry clay and roll it out. And I already did this in advance, so you guys don't have to wait. But you have to roll it out, and then you're going to want to use the cookie and just stamp it on there like how I got this. And then you're gonna want to use puffy paint, and you can choose any color you want and design it. And if you guys are wondering where I got all this stuff, you could click on the screen or link in the description. So yeah. And when you finish, it should look like this. And then you want to roll it out flat. And then you want to stamp this on like this. And then you're going to want to cut around the edge. And then you want to use tweezers to make that shape. When you're done, you should have something like this. And then I already made my pillow squishy. You could go check on my channel to see how I made the squishy, the pillow one. And how I made it all this texture is I used this. First I used Mod Podge, I dipped it in Mod Podge. Then I used this and I dipped this into this.